Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to find the memory address of a variable within the Python. The IDE which we are using is the PyCharm IDE. So first of all, you must know that in Python we don't need to declare the data type of a variable. Python will auto discover it, okay? So first let us suppose that if you want to write a variable, so you can write a, b, c or anything, okay? Then if you want to store anything like a is equal to 12, now is there is an assignment operator between this 12 and this a. So as we know that this 12 is the integer type data and it is now inside this a variable. So Python will got that this a is what is called as the integer type variable, or this variable a has integer data type. So obviously if there is a variable, then it must have a specific memory address, okay? So how we can find it? We have a built-in function inside the Python that is called as the id function, okay? So if we use to find id of a, okay, then we have to write print id of a, okay? We can write like this. So whenever we will run it, we will get this thing, okay? So this is our decimal. In decimal, this is the memory address of this variable. And if we want to find the address in hexadecimal, okay, in hexadecimal format, then we can write hex of, okay, hex of this, hex of id of a. So whenever we will run it, we will get this thing, okay? This is the return memory address, okay? And if we want to declare some other variable like b is equal to like here we will write home, okay? So b is equal to home. So as we know that this is string type data and now it is inside this b variable. So what it will be done, print id of b. So b is equal to home, so print id of b is equal to this thing, okay? Now we got all this, okay, in the decimal format, okay? And what about print of hex of id of b? Okay, now in hexadecimal format we got, yeah, this is the memory address of this variable, that is the b. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can find the memory address of a variable within the Python. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.